Scott Williams. I'm a school board member of Christian Fellowship School, formerly the head of school there for a number of years. I want to answer a question that was presented earlier to Mr. Richardson, whose daughter is in our school. It was an income-based scholarship that his daughter received, which that's just what I really want to emphasize is that we are giving over $350,000 worth of tuition assistance to over a third of our students, but certainly we have a limit. And yet we have more families coming to us, particularly minority families, who wish their children could be in a more structured setting, maybe in a setting that better represents their family's values and so forth. But we have limited resources as to what we can provide to them. And so these bills that are before you would expand those opportunities, particularly for minority families, refugee families, people of color, and so forth. And so I just encourage you. I've got much more I could say here, but I'm just going to leave my testimony. I already have, where I speak of some of the money issues and how actually private schools are saving public schools millions and millions of dollars. And in fact, I'll just mention in Columbia, which we have a great working relationship with a fine public school system there, and I greatly appreciate the support that they give to some of our students who need special services and so forth. But whether they have one student or 19,000 students, 2/3 of their budget is met by just local taxes, property and sales tax. And so they're receiving up to $8,000 a student, if you will, as they estimate about $12,300 it costs to educate a child in Columbia. They're receiving, the majority of that, whether that a student is there or not. So actually fewer students in their system would mean more money per student for their system. So I'll leave it at that.
Thank you, Mr. Williams. Any questions for the gentleman? Thank you very much.